Welcome back to this brand new episode of Forex for Beginners. In today's episode, we'll learn all about indices. Indices are financial instruments that represent the collective performance of a group of stock in the market. So if you want to make it more clear, imagine a basket full of apples, right? An index, it's like keeping track of the average price of all the apples in the basket instead of keeping track of only one apple. If the price of all the apples goes up, the index will go up as well. If the price goes down, the index will go down as well. This way, the index reflects the performance of all the stocks combined. Indices are good for investing because they allow you to trade the overall market instead of one single company. For instance, the US S&P 500 is an extremely well-known and popular index. It's designed to keep track of the performance of the largest 500 companies listed publicly in the US stock exchange. If the price of the S&P 500 rises, that means that the stock market is clearly experiencing an upward trend, while a falling price means that the market is experiencing a downward trend. It's the same concept with, for example, US30, NASDAQ, or the DAX index. Indices act as a benchmark of stock performance in different regions, sectors, or any relevant niche depending on their composition. Indices are loved by traders who desire simplicity in taking an overall position in the market without the need to manage all different individual positions. So if you enjoyed this episode about indices, don't hesitate to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the next episode where we're gonna talk about all the essentials that traders need in their toolkit.